Hey guys, welcome back to another video in this series of affiliate marketing training. And in this video, I'll be telling you how you can make money with affiliate marketing. And for that, I'll be telling you a concept called launch jacking. So please make sure you watch this video towards the end, as I'll be telling you step-by-step information as to how you can do launch jacking to make money using affiliate marketing. So in case you don't know me, my name is Saurabh and this channel is all about latest product reviews, tips and tricks on affiliate marketing and lot more. So there are different product launches which are happening every day in different niches, and those products are digital products which I'm talking about. And the launch checking is a strategy with which you are checking the launches. You are just putting your content, your video, your review of that particular product in front of the people so that they can make an informed buying decision about that particular product, and they get it through your affiliate link. So in order to better understand this concept, let me just take you inside my computer and let me explain you what exactly is launch hacking. So there are product launches which are happening in different niches, as I told you, and these products are digital products. And don't worry, I'll be telling you where you can find these products, and this works for every niche. And I'll be telling you specifically about make money online niche, as that is what I do. So there are different product launches which are happening, and there are well-known affiliates who are promoting those launches. So just pardon my drawing, it's it's kind of silly, but you get the point. So there are affiliates, there are well-known affiliates who have already got an email list for themselves. So they have got an email list of buyer subscribers, and for every launch which is happening, they are sending emails to their email list about this particular launch, this particular product. Okay, and when a person receives the email, what they usually do, they just go to YouTube and search for the review of that particular product. So these people, they go to YouTube in order to find more information about the product. So they let's say they just type in the name of the product and review, and there are different people who are posting the review videos about those products. And what you have to do as an affiliate, you need to post a review video for that particular launch on YouTube. And the whole idea is that you need to rank your video on YouTube. And this concept is called launch checking. So when these people, they watch your video and they see what bonuses you are offering and what value you are providing, what you have told about that particular product, if this product is a good fit for them or not, then they make the purchase based on the review which you have put in. And this is how you are going to make affiliate commissions. And slowly, the whole idea is, you also need to build an email list for yourself for down the line, so that you can just create a review video and send it to your email list, so that they get the video, they get to know everything about that particular launch. So this is the basic concept of launch checking. This is how launch checking is done. And now I'll be telling you step by step what we have to do. So I'll be telling you about launch checking of internet marketing product, digital products, make money online niche. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go to a website called muncheye.com. Just type in muncheye.com and this will open up this particular website. So this particular website is basically a calendar of all the upcoming launches in internet marketing, digital marketing field. So as you can see, on 22nd, these products are launching on 23rd, 24th, and it's basically a calendar, and it will go till February, March, or depending on what people have put in about their launches. So what you have to do, you need to pick up a product to promote. So let's say you want to promote this particular product from Ariel Sanders Stream Store Christmas Special. So what you need to do, just open this product, just open this link, and what you will find is a JV page, which is the joint venture page, where you will find all the details about this particular product. So just open the JV link. So on this JV page, you will get all the information about a particular product. So let's say you will get information about who the vendor is and what this product is all about. And from here also you can get your affiliate link, which I'll be telling you. So this is the JV page, and on that JV page, what you need to find out is a JV doc, which is right over here, which is the JV document, and this will give you more information. So let's open the JV doc, and I'll show you. So this is how the JV page looks like, and you have the details about the launch, the affiliate network on which the launch is going to happen, the link to the sales page, and over here you will also find the link for the review access, and you will find all the other details which vendor will provide as to how you can promote them. You will find the email swipes. You will also get the bonuses which you can include in your promotion, and over here you will also see the link for the review access. So once you have got an idea about the particular product, then what you have to do, you need to apply for the affiliate link, and for that you just need to click on over here, and where it says affiliate link. So you will find that option, so don't worry about it. And this will open up either the Warrior Plus page. Warrior Plus is a marketplace where the launches are happening, and the other marketplaces are JVZoo and ClickBank. So when you're starting out, just stick to the launches on Warrior Plus marketplace, and you just need to create an account on Warrior Plus. It is very easy to create an account. It will only going to take few minutes of your time, and once you sign in, you will see this option. Let me just sign in over here real quickly. Okay, once you have signed in, you will see this option of request approval. So what you need to do in order to request your approval, you can just type in that you want to promote this product by creating a review video on YouTube. And the best way which I follow as well, I used to follow, now I'm getting approved for almost all the launches. So once you're starting out, what you need to do, just record a simple video using your phone, and just say that, hey, Ariel, this is Saurabh, and I would like to promote Stream Store Cloud by creating a review video. So thanks to approve my request, and just put that video on your YouTube channel. Just make it unlisted, and just give the link to that video over here. That will increase your chances of getting approved. You just apply for all the affiliate links for a particular week. Just apply for the affiliate links for as many products as you can in a week, because not all the affiliates will going to approve you. So let me be real honest about it. I'm also a vendor. I also create products. So people are looking for affiliates who are going to send them sales. So you're not going to be approved by all the vendors, but you do not have to worry about it. Just move on to the next launch, next product. There are so many launches which I've shown you. So once you have got the affiliate link, then what you have to do, so there is a template which I use. So let me just show you this template. So this is a template which I use. So here I put my affiliate link, here I put the link for the sales page, here I put the link for the JV doc, here I put the details for the review access, and then I put in my bonuses. And what I do, I just copy this and make an entry in my Google Calendar about that particular launch. So let's say a launch is happening today, then I'll just create an entry over here, and I put in these details which I have in that calendar. So that will keep you more organized, and that way you will have you can keep a track of what all you have about a particular launch, what all things are missing. So in case you got the affiliate link, you got the sales page, you got the JV doc, but you do not have the review access, then what you can do, just reach out to the vendor. You will find the details of the vendor on the JV page or on the JV doc. Just reach out to the vendor and ask for the review access, and most of the time you will get the review access. But in case you do not get the review access, and then I'll suggest you to just move on to the next one. Don't just waste your time on that particular launch, because there will be other people who have got the review access, and they will be posting the video with the review access showing the members area and all. But if you do not get the review access, just move on to the next one. So make an entry in calendar about the launches which you're going to promote, and this way you will be more organized, and you will keep a track of what all you have and what you don't. So once you have got everything, you have got the affiliate link, you have got the review access, then the next thing which you have to take care of is providing the bonuses. So if you're starting out, I understand you may not have your own bonuses. So what you can do, either you can use the bonuses from the JV doc which the vendor is providing, or you can just create your own bonuses, or you can just use PLR. And the thing about bonuses is you need to just go through the product first, what the product is all about, and then see what all things are missing in that particular product. So if it's a training on YouTube, or if, then you can teach people about how they can make money from YouTube. So you can find a particular product, a PLR. You can go to a website called bigproductstore.com, or just Google it for PLR products, and your bonuses should be congruent with the product, and your bonuses should resolve the problem which is missing in the original product. So if it's a training, then you can give them bonuses about traffic. You can tell them about how they can make money with it, or you can include any other course. But it should not be that the product is about Facebook and you're offering them bonuses about Pinterest, or you're offering them bonuses about YouTube. No, it should not happen. And how you can deliver the bonuses, so for that I personally use Commission Gorilla, but you feel free to use any other bonus delivery option. I use Commission Gorilla because it is very simple, very easy, and it doesn't take much of my time to create a bonus page. You could use WordPress. If you've got a blog, you can use that to create your bonus page. You can use ClickFunnels or any other funnel builder or anything. And if you have nothing, you can also use Google Docs to create your bonus page. So that is absolutely free. So what you can do, you can just go into my channel and see the reviews what I'm doing. Just pick up a bonus page and just see the format what I'm using, like the headline, the images, and what all. And you can just replicate the same structure on on any of your bonus page, if you, whether you're using WordPress or you're using Google Docs. So just use that. Otherwise, you can also go with the Commission Gorilla that I personally use. And once you have got everything ready, then you just need to create a review video. And review video, the idea for the review video is that you need to tell people about the particular product, what the product is all about. You can show the members area. You can show them your bonuses. You can show them the sales page. You can tell them about the pricing, and give your honest opinion about the product, if that product is going to be a good fit for the people or not. And that you can see by going through the product. So it is very important that before you create a review video, you should be aware about the product. and see what problem it is going to solve. If you personally do not like a particular product, then I will not recommend you to promote that product. I do not promote products which I do not like, or which I do not see any value to my audience. So I only promote products which I see that they are going to help out my audience. So that is very important. Do not just go after the money. You should be providing value through your reviews. And then once your review video is done, you just post it on YouTube. If you're just starting out on YouTube, your videos will not rank initially, but the more you put in the videos on YouTube, the more content you put in, you will start seeing the results. You will start seeing your videos ranking up in for that particular search term. As I said, initially you may not see your videos rank, but do not get disheartened about it. The more content you put in, you will start seeing the rankings. And then once I've got the video up, you can just promote that video on your social media accounts, or on your blog, or just so the more the engagement, the more you share that video with other people, the more you're going to help out the other people. That is how you will start seeing the results with launch hacking. So guys, this is the strategy of launch hacking. This is what I personally follow in my business, and this is one of the easiest way. You don't have to invest a lot of money, or you can literally start for free, because YouTube is free. If you're using Google Docs for creating a bonus page, that is absolutely free. And you just need a computer with a camera, and you need to have a good audio, good mic. Just see for those things, and you can just push out the content. So this is how launch hacking is done. This is what I do for in Make Money Online niche, and this is the exact strategy how you can make those affiliate commissions. So guys, this is the launch hacking strategy. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comments down below, and the link to the other videos in this series will be also there in the description down below. So thank you very much for watching. I will see you again in my next video. Cheers.